Welcome to Raw Timber, where forest meets steel and power is measured in seconds. No noise for show, no wasted motion, just real machines, raw force, and timber pushed to its limit. Let's get into it. Turning heavy timber into clean chips in seconds, this is raw efficiency. The Moose Max T8 brings up to 500 horsepower to the job, handling logs up to 40 centimeters wide with ease. In moments, rough timber becomes uniform wood chips, fast, efficient, and perfectly suited for heating systems or mulch production. Silent at first, then the Tiger Cat moves. 30 horsepower surges through hydraulics as the feller head locks onto its target. Seconds later, tons of hardwood collapse, controlled, deliberate, unstoppable. Can one person really match the output of an entire company? This powerhouse answers that question. The whole Spot Center industrial firewood processor combines automated loading, precision cutting, and high-capacity splitting into one relentless system. Maximum efficiency, minimal effort, no more backbreaking labor, just pure mechanical dominance. If efficiency had teeth and a roar, it would look and sound exactly like this chipper. With a 20-inch feed capacity and aggressive in-feed rollers, the M20R chews through dense limbs without hesitation. Watching it work is a reminder that good tools don't just make hard jobs easier, they make them satisfying. "80 tons of raw power come alive as the Rebound F80 handles massive timber loads with unmatched precision. Nothing rushed, nothing wasted, just control, force, and accuracy working in perfect balance." Where other machines choke and stall, this green beast keeps feeding and never stops grinding. With 220 kilowatts of power, the Impactor 850 crushes biomass effortlessly. Built by RGs for the toughest jobs, it turns green waste into clean, consistent output. Recycling doesn't get more satisfying than this. This machine doesn't just process wood, it devours it. Massive logs disappear as blades slice through with raw power and surgical precision. Engineered for maximum efficiency, timber becomes usable material in seconds. Forestry work doesn't always need noise and struggle, not when finesse takes over. Pushing 74.3 horsepower and paired with the powerful FAE 150 mulcher, the CAT 259D proves that compact machines can reclaim wildland fast. Caterpillar's trusted engineering meets Italian precision, transforming tangled chaos into flat, workable ground in minutes. The contrast is stunning. From disorder to control, when clearing land feels like feeding a beast, you know Vermeer is at work. Powered by 600 horsepower and designed for 23-inch logs, the WC2300XL handles full-size timber with ease. One look at this footage explains why it's trusted in the field. Peterson 5710D isn't just grinding, it's redefining what shredding means. Packing 1,050 horsepower, it turns green waste into value with brutal precision. True power isn't loud, it's productive. Nothing turns tree waste into profit faster than this. The red M20R returns, tearing through thick logs as clean wood piles vanish and reappear as perfect chips, ready for mulch or biomass fuel. Tree stump or the skull of a prehistoric beast, it doesn't matter. This machine shreds roots like paper, ripping massive stumps straight from the earth and turning the toughest removals into effortless work. An excavator's steel claw tears into the hull of an aging vessel, peeling away layers of rust and memory. Each crunch echoes across the harbor. What once carried fishermen through storms now meets its end on shore, dismantled piece by piece, making room for new steel and new stories. Brutal, but necessary. The Rayco RG37 may not be big, but it acts like a heavyweight. With 37 horsepower and a 51-inch cutting width, it handles tough stumps with ease. Small footprint, massive impact on tight job sites. Like a green iron monster, the 210 XP doesn't chew wood, it devours it with purpose. Powered by a 275 horsepower engine and a 21-inch capacity, it's built for heavy crane-fed jobs. There's raw force here, but it's the precision that truly stands out. From waste to wealth, this is the future of composting in motion. The Hextra 7000 and 3F sorts compost at 250 cubic meters per hour. Clean output, zero wasted motion, impressive efficiency. How do you harvest trees on near vertical slopes? The HSM 405H 3L steel harvester makes it look easy. With extended reach, powerful hydraulics, and extreme terrain adaptability, it tackles the steepest logging operations without hesitation. No slip-ups, no limits, just precision and power.